ROOT, stock analysis, and root stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Now, I've done 36,000 videos and it has taken me 4 years and 5 figures on courses and mentors to figure out what's working for me and what's not in the ways of trading, right? That being said, Root Incorporated, the only thing that I'm looking to do is just still double down on this long side. Meaning, I was open-minded for buys only if there was like a shift, which I did not see. And then the price started pulling down, which was actually just about to mitigate some demand zones, and then it started picking up. I will kind of kindly say that this is something that I missed. Not that I would have bought, but yeah, it already kind of went up here. I don't think it's even exhausted. But like, let's look at it this way. The only thing that I will do is buy only if the price gives me rules, right? And that means a little pullback and then a double shift. And if I don't see that, then I'm just basically not gonna buy. Like, people overcomplicate this stuff, but it's really not that complicated. So what I'll keep doing is waiting in the meantime, and I'll keep you updated. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, then just click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sauce there.